So, some good news today. Guess who's back? And so pleased to see it again. Is Tiggy. Oh my god, how I missed this car. So missed it. Not missed spending the money on it, but it's cost me a fortune. I mean, $13.50 to fit an inlet manifold and a motor. I mean, that's crazy, to be honest. I mean, anybody would agree that if it would have gone to a Volkswagen dealership, it probably would have been cheaper. But unfortunately, I cut corners. The original mechanic who did the work, or has done a lot of work on the car, quoted me £800 to do the job before Christmas. I went to another garage, because I thought it'd be cheaper. They said they can do it for $240 to buy the part. So I went ahead and bought the part. Turned out there's two parts to this particular car, because they've got flaps. The inlet manifold has flaps which control the airflow and the carbon and all this rigmarole. And there's a metal one and a plastic type flap. So I bought the metal one, thinking that is the right one. And apparently it wasn't, because it was a plastic one which was fitted. Yet the mechanic fitted the metal one, and he should have realised that it had a plastic flap on it. So the engine management light came back on again, and I took it back to him. They said reorder the part, which I did. Charged me 240 quid again to fit the new plastic one. Then they didn't connect a pipe proper, which caused a fuel starvation, and had a breakdown, as you can see on the first video. And then the engine management came on again after, when they looked at it and tried to sort it out. I mean, they fixed the pipe, but the engine management came on with the outlet manifold, and they said, oh, it's the motor causing it. So I go ahead and order a motor, and then decided, you know something, I'm going to take it to another garage, go take it back to the original garage, because I'm just not happy with what they're telling me. So I took it to Kelvin, who they did the diagnostics, which was £120. It wasn't cheap, but they found that the motor was faulty, the aftermarket motor, and the inlet manifold, aftermarket inlet manifold, wasn't working either. So we was back then to square one. He went and got all of the original manifold from the garage, who I wasn't happy with the work, and managed to get it off him. I mean, I asked him for that manifold and he wouldn't give it me. They only gave me a motor, which was faulty anyway. So he got the original manifold back, tested it and said it was working. So all that rigmarole and the inlet manifold was working. And then he fitted it, spent 6 days, I think it is, since it went in last Friday. So it's Sunday, Monday, what are we on today? Thursday. Yeah, 6 days. And finally got it working, and it's been out on loads of tests. I've looked at the diagnostics he showed me this morning on it, and there's no faults showing on it. It's starting up okay, it's running great, there's no smells coming from it. So I think we cracked it, but at a cost. I mean, it's just unbelievable spending that type of money on something as simple as that. It's not as though it's an engine replacement or a gearbox replacement or even a clutch. I can understand if it was anything major like that, but an inlet manifold is not a major repair to be charged at $13.50. I mean, the most I was open to spend, and I should have obviously gone with Kelvin at the beginning. He quoted me about 800, and he was going to buy the parts, and that would have saved me, well, it would have saved me over 500 quid. So the lesson to be learned, and not go down the cheap route, and just be careful who you use regarding mechanics, because I wasn't happy what he did. The first garage, who probably caused more problems than what it actually was in the first place. And you know, we was tearing our hair out, me and Diane, about it, and I'd had doubts about sending it over to South Africa. So we go see how it goes. We go test it, see how it's going to run for the next few months, and hopefully we won't have any problems, and then we can just decide then if we send it across or send it by container to South Africa. It's just been a learning curve, and if we do have problems, obviously we won't send it, and we will get it by another car 4x4 over there, and then just carry on doing our YouTube like we go plan, and that'd be great. But it'd be sad if we don't take it over, because I've just, you know, I like it quite a lot, and Tiggy's cost me a lot of money and a lot of heartache, but you know, it's a pleasure to drive it. I mean, it has been to France and back, and you know, it's a good looking car. It goes well in off-roading. On the ice this morning, it was great. It wasn't sliding. You know, it's got a system. It's got an anti-slider on it. Just press the button and it's the wheels. Traction comes on the wheels. It's, you know, the inside looks great. We fitted cameras in it. I think it'll be a great 4x4 in South Africa. So we just go see how we are on it. But for now, I'm so pleased that I got it back. Really am. And I finally make this second part of this video with some good news. So for now, I hope you like our channel, and thanks for watching.